Hey everyone, we have a Acura RSX 05-06 RLX dual eye headlight package finished up today. I haven't built one of these in a while. These are pretty much special order only nowadays. Parts very difficult to find. But we have this open order for quite some time and fulfilled this recently. So we built these on brand new OE style headlights, fit the Acura RLX dual eye kind of the like octuple LED assembly inside, and basically painted everything gloss black, all the black trim, and any silver trim on the bezel has been painted gloss black to kind of match it all up. So these headlights are basically a full plug and play conversion. Plugs into the factory socket, and you get this really cool look when they light up. So here's the LED jewel eye assembly lit up. I'm going to turn the exposure down quite a bit. Just blowing out the camera. And yeah, this is a low beam only build. Unfortunately, we're unable to fit the high beam units from the RLX. So these headlights are kind of more for show if you have any type of like inspection in your area. But they definitely look pretty unique. We're pretty much the first company to actually build these lights for the 0506 RSXs, and so it was kind of nice to come back and revisit this build once again. If you do want to order something like this, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com. You will definitely have to contact us if you're interested, but pricing is online. We are not accepting orders for them currently, but we can set up an order if you are interested. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.